Hello everybody, Renat here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do prospecting on Upwork to log all of the most interesting job offerings that the platform has to offer nicely in a Google Sheet, in an Airtable, or anywhere else that you want. Essentially, you a lot of the times on Upwork have people who need to identify opportunities that are interesting, and then you will have people who want to apply to those opportunities so that they can win deals. So we need to find the best deals, and then we need to apply to the deals. And a lot of times those jobs are separated. So the first thing we're going to do is we're here in Upwork under Find Work, and here we're going to create the search parameters. You most likely have yours already set up. So let's find the predefined ones. For example, we have marketing strategy over here, and then we have different opportunities that match that parameter. Then we're going to find interesting clients. Again, you have your own process of doing this. In our demo example, I want to only work with, let's see, I only want to work on hourly basis, expert level, hourly basis, and then we are going to work with clients that have hired more than 10 people. And that, let's see, and projects, actually, that's enough parameters for us. So we have different deals, and we're going to find the most interesting deal. Here, for example, we're going to click on that specific deal, and then we have the information. So one person who does the prospecting wants to find all of the deals that we are interested in applying to. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our scraper to get the deals details. So we're going to click on the extension or option dot or option B, whichever one you prefer, and then we're going to create a scraper model. So do create new scraper model, execute the command, and then here we're going to define which fields we are interested in. We're going to save that title. We're going to save the client location, then the client rating, then I'll want to see their total amount spent. Again, this is completely up to you. And then we're going to get a description of the job post. And let's see, what else do we want? I think this is pretty much all I'm interested in. Cool. Ongoing project, expert level. Yeah, that's all I want for now. And this is an hourly project. So I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to get data using that scraper model that we've created. And then I'm going to click on execute. So we have 6 columns over here, and we have all of the data that we're interested in. So right now, let's create a Google Sheet right from Bardeen. So we're going to say create sheet, and then we're going to call it Upwork deals. All right, we're going to click on execute, and then boom, there we have the spreadsheet created. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add that specific information to the sheet. So we're going to say do append rows from table, and this is the table that we just created, to sheet, and then that specific sheet, click on execute. So I just clicked on enter a bunch of times, and then as you can see over here, we already have all of the information, including the URL to that specific job post. Cool. So I'm going to format it really nicely, because I'm a little obsessed with formatting things nicely. Cool. We have all the information, and now we obviously not want to do this entire thing many times. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a playbook, and I'll make that specific playbook available to you. What we're going to do is, let's skip the tutorial, and let's create a new playbook. Let's call it Upwork deals. This is a hourly, and the reason we're defining hourly is because we created a scraper model for hourly work, and that's important because we have different fields on fixed work. You can do exactly the same thing with the scraper over there. Then we're going to see which commands we want. We do not want to create a new scraper model in that playbook. We want to get data using a scraper model, and we're going to say keep exact value. So the scraper model is going to be exactly the same, so we don't have to define it multiple times. The sheet is also going to be the same, so it says already the same, keep exact value, which is Upwork deals spreadsheet. And then here we have the data that's being scraped, compute every time, and then we have the sheet. Let's see, keep exact value. All right, we're going to exclude that one, because this is a command that creates a sheet. We don't want to create a sheet every time. So I'm going to click Save Playbook, And there we have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to browse through the other opportunities, find the opportunity that we're interested in, for example, this one, and then we're going to click option dot and say Upwork, deal hourly, and then boom, there we have it. All we need to do is just click one button and we have this entire information logged in here. Yeah, that's how easy it is to use the scraper. Again, if you add this as a playbook, all you will need to do is just click one button and it's automatically going to do the work. You just will need to define your specific spreadsheet. Let's do it again. Upwork deals hourly, and then again, there we have it. And this is how you can essentially, in a couple clicks, create a list of opportunities. And most importantly, you can have different people doing different parts of the job so that they can focus on what they're the best at. Cheers, and I'll see you in my next videos.